you for the conclusion of our All-Filipino Conference of the PBL. And here, with the champion, Coach Sherwin, itong confidence na to, sabi nga ni Eliza, isa sa mga pinakamahirap, and Choco Mucho continue to push you to your limit. Paano mo nabago yung takbo ng game today?
Siyempre, sa player, talagang 110% ko sa training. Almost 3 hours kami nag-training. So, kasi napapagod sa training. So, ang game naman, nandiyan lang palagi. So, sa mga players yan, hindi naman sa akin.
Coach, all of your substitutions worked. It was very effective and you changed the tempo of the game every single time. You called on different players. Ano yung message mo kanina sa players before you went into game number 2?
Siyempre, teamwork pa rin. Ito naman yung ginagawa namin sa training eh, lahat kasali. So, ano yung ginagawa ng isa, ginagawa ng lahat. Ganun na kasi.
Thank you so much, Coach. Lipat naman tayo. Gemma Galanza, again, a champion in the PBL. Gemma, there were a lot of setbacks, but there were also a lot of breakthroughs. Was there a specific moment na nalaman mo or na-realize mo, ito na yon for Dreamline?
Basta nakikita ko lang sa mga mata ng teams kung gano'n kagigil yung gusto nilang mapanalo yung laro. And ngayon nga, sobrang dami talaga nangyayari sa amin this season. And nandito na kami. So bakit pa kami susuko, diba? So kaya ilalaban talaga namin hanggang dito.
Gemma, alam mo ba, this is championship number 8 for the Cool Smashers. You've built quite a dynasty here in the PBL. What does this 8th championship mean for you personally?
Dadagdagan pa namin. Wow! Gagawin namin! United, forever, never! Yan. Pero sobrang happy. Lalo ngayon, nag-struggle talaga kami. Hindi namin aakalain makakapasok kami sa final. Actually, sa semis nga eh. Pero nandito kami ngayon. Nakatayo sa inyo. Champion ulit!
Gemma, do you have any message to all of your fans and supporters here inside the Big Dome?
Maraming salamat po sa Dreamline fans. Hindi kayo nawala sa ay, may iwala na naman dito sa may konsensya. Hindi po kayo nawala kahit po natalo kami. Lalo na nanalo kami, nandyan kayo lagi. And kami, gumigising kami sa umaga dahil gusto namin magbigay ng inspiration sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. And happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng nanay!
Thank you so much, Gemma. Punta naman tayo kay Phenom, Eliza Valdez. Eliza, how does it feel to be wearing a 4-peat championship shirt as a Cool Smasher?
I think this is the first time I wore na 4-peat talaga. Back in college, I always had back-to-back, even in Dreamline, back-to-back. So, I think ito yung first time talaga na naka-4-peat kami with sa All Filipino. So, napakasarap sa pakiramdam. I mentioned nga before, this season na to, I think, nabigay nitong season na to yung hope sa amin. Kasi kahit talo kami ang talo, andyan sila. Because season 76 all over again, dami naming struggles, but in the end, God is really good. He gave it to us, and teamwork talaga makes a teamwork.
Any last messages, Eliza, to all of your supporters? Grabe yung Dreamline family, always here, supporting you, cheering your hearts out.
Sa lahat po ng Dreamline Cool Smashers fans, literal this season, manalo or matalo, andyan kayo! Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po sa energy nyo, kundi dahil din po sa inyo. Kayo po ang ibibigay sa amin ng motivation. And sa volleyball community, maraming salamat po. Hindi po natin mapupuno ang Smart Araneta Coliseum mo. Hindi rin po dahil sa Choco Mucho flying titles. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. See you next conference.
Thank you so much, Eliza. Come on, guys, let's give it up for the Dreamline Cool Smashers. Now let's head on over to Kyla Kunchu, and she is with our best player of the game. Go ahead, Kyla.
Now here with me are more of our Dreamline Cool Smashers.
happy that nakuha namin this championship. And kung usapang struggles, sinasabi ko nga, hindi namin alam kung paano kami nakarating dito. Woo! Sabi na to sila. Pero nandito kami and we managed to still get the championship. And I'm just so happy.
Hey, thank you so much, Kana. Let's move on naman here to Bea De Leon, who was against our former team. John Kamucha lang, Bea, walk me through this journey, a new chapter of your career. Can you share the emotions you're feeling right now?
Sobrang thankful ko lang kasi binigyan ako ng chance ng Dreamlight sa teammates ko, sa coaches ko. Malaking pasasalamat ko na nandito ako today and clearly wala ako dito kung wala sila. So, sobrang grateful ko lang buong time. Nagpe-pray lang kami lahat and I just thank God that I'm here again.
You have been a spark plug for your team, always a game changer in these big moments. So ano yung mga preparations mo that you feel have allowed you to perform, always perform big time for your team?
Naka-mindset lang ako lagi. Piniprepare naman kami ni Coach mentally na lahat ng bench player, prepare lang lagi at laging mag-ready kasi anytime pwede kami gamitin. And yun lang din, ayaw na namin mag-training bukas!
Thank you so much, Boss. And last but not the least, of course, then Lazaro Villa. You know, this is a big moment of your career, your first win in the professionals with Bea. Of course, so can you tell me how does it feel to finally be a champion and be alongside Bea in this milestone?
I'm extremely happy, extremely grateful for, of course, my teammates, my coaches, our management, and to everybody na patuloy na naniniwala sa amin, kayong inspirasyon namin sa conference na ito. I'm just really happy that me and Bea are, thriving here. We're together and we're with the pre-19 Smashers now. So thank you everyone for accepting us here in our new team. Thank you so much.
Happy Mother's Day pala, Mommy!
Happy Mother's Day sa mga tita ko po na nandito. Ito may mga Happy Mother's Day, Mama! Sa lahat ng mga ilaw ng tahanan na nandito! Di ba birthday ni Mama? Happy birthday, Santo!
Is there anyone else you want to greet? Go ahead, your fans present here.
Happy